Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the booking.com login not working. First, make sure that you're entering the correct email and password. Double check for typing errors. Next, check your internet connection as a slow or unstable network can interrupt login. Now, if you've forgotten your password, click the forgotten password option and follow the steps to reset it. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then if you're using a browser, clear cache and cookies and try again. Now if login still does not work, wait for a few minutes and try again as there may be a temporary server issue. That's how you fix the booking.com app not working or login not working. Subscribe for more